All right, so now that all the birds have been moved to the new loft, I've been getting this ready for my new team. I have picked up a new team from different locations, but most of them are from the Vija loft, the Vija family loft, which is located in Rockville and Hanover. Incredible guy. And what I've done is I've removed the floor. I'm gonna put some gravel and new flooring. And all right, can't believe this is happening. Mosher family one. This is the beauty. She's been downstairs. This is a female. This is a female pie too. This is another female. Look how. Hmm. Yep, that's his too. They're so big and stocky. This is a. Don't hurt yourself. That's the breeder, and he's being a dummy. This is gonna be my all-star. This is the all-star. He's hurting himself. All right, here's the team, guys. Here's the team.